Last month, do you still remember the birthday dinner you took me to? It was David. David was having a birthday dinner. He invited us to come and celebrate with him.
Yes.
You remember what that thing he did at the end of the party? He said we should split up the bill.
He's a stupid person.
Brother, I tell you, I will at the best for that guy till now.
Just leave him. We know what to do with him.
But listen, this was not only him. I don't know, maybe something Nigerian thing or it's just like UK abroad thing. But my brother, look at this woman, her complaint. Okay. Then maybe you will do understand me better. Let's play the video.
This is a warning to all my non-Yoruba friends in London. Now listen to me. Now you say you won't do party. Now you say make I come celebrate with you. Now you go invite me, tell me the venue. Then upon arriving there, you expect me to buy water, buy food, buy drinks. Where I go eat. I send you party. Which kind norm be this one now? Now only my Yoruba friends go invite me, say come party. Come party means come party with me. Oh? But all my non-Yoruba friends, when I go carry me go where I don't know, make me use Uber, because some places you cannot even drive to those places. Use Uber. I'll pay Uber like 80-something pounds to come to your venue. Pay another 80-something pounds, come back. You go still expect me to buy water, buy food, buy drinks. Well, I go drink for your party. What's the point of inviting me to your party? If you put out for your IV.
So now, what is your opinion? You see the same matter. You invite people to a party and then you expect the people to pay for the drinks. This is not the party what you are doing. You are selling your drinks and food.
Let me tell you something.
Please, let me hear.
This problem is not just only this woman. Funny enough. You said she's from UK, as we have heard.
Yes.
It's didn't happen in UK. It's not surprising. When I was in UK, I remember visiting a friend. I asked him, Charlie, where do you live? Just send me your address. Let me come and visit you. It's been a while. And he said, okay, no problem. Oh, this is the address. And then when I was coming, he called me again and said, if you are coming, please, can you run to the supermarket and buy drinks?
I hate this type of things.
And I asked him why. He said, because I don't have drinks at home. Unless you do not want to drink. So I had to buy my own drink while going to visit somebody in the house. So I don't know, maybe it's with UK people, you have to stop that. They are very tight hand. They don't want to give out money to buy drinks with their visitors, which is very wrong.
Go make people think they are stingy.
Imagine that. How can you do a birthday, invite people to your birthday, and then tell them to come and be paying for drinks in your birthday?
And food. The food was not
and the food
drinks.
also.
Yes, now food and drinks.
In fact, I don't want to insult anybody, but it is very wrong. How can you do that? That is why I love Nigerians. If it was in Nigeria, especially the Yoruba people.
Not UK, Nigeria,
no,
Nigeria, Africa, Nigeria.
I'm telling you, Nigeria, not no.
Okay.
Nigeria.
Okay.
Every weekend is Onwabe. That is, you don't know Onwabe. Onwabe is party.
Party. Enjoyment.
Oh, my brother.
Enjoyment.
If you see where they line up food, from this side to like end of that place, only Bamoy. You don't know Bamoy? Oh, you don't know Bamoy. I cannot explain.
So you didn't take me to that kind of party. You only took me to David's party.
You will not know that one. Don't worry. Next time I will explain to you. Only Momo. That's tell you how much food are there. You will see rice. Shit. You will see beets. You will see goat meat. You will see chicken. You will see grilled chicken. You will see fried chicken. Everything.
And rice.
Thank you. And funny part is that it is even eat as you like. You will eat. You will also take home. And you will not spend 1 cent. So people will even come to your party, they will eat and eat, they will not spray 1 naira. And then you expect me to come to a party and then you are telling me to buy. What an insult.
This is a big
You
scam.
can never try that with me.
It's the biggest scam I've heard.
I have told them, if you are inviting me to your party, just make sure that my table is set.
They should
you cannot bring me to your party
this
and expect me. Do you think drink is my problem? That you tell me to come and be buying your drink. If you want to make money and sell your business, then open a shop and let us come and patronize you. They will know that you are selling your. How can you invite us to a birthday party and you tell us to come and be buying drinks? If you invite me to your birthday party, it simply means that you are calling me to come and eat and drink to celebrate with you. That you are committing.
Thank you. Trying to deceive people doing like I don't know, back door corner something.
What nonsense.
Some business at the back door.
If you are out there and you are still doing that, let me tell you something. You are not doing well. You are not doing well.
Next time when we get the invitation like this, we will ask her. Do we have to bring our own food and drinks?
Exactly. And if anybody does that, I won't come to your party.